Welcome to our YouTube family on Money Academy.
Get Canva Pro for free. Without any delay, let's get started. Go to any browser, search for Canva, click on this, and open it. This is the Canva site. Click on Sign Up to create an account. Click on Sign Up with Google. And here you go. Wait for a while. Now they ask what will be you using Canva for. So you have to select Personal here. Click on Maybe Later. And congratulations, you have created your account. But you can see this is not the free account. For most features they will ask you to upgrade. Now this is our actual aim, to access all the features for free. Now you have to go to another website.
First go to Google and search Astad Marok. Search for this. You will find Canva Pro Post method. Now copy this canva.com/brand/join. Next step, go to Twitter and paste on the search bar. Scroll and find the invitation link. Let's try this one. I will log in with my email. Congratulations, you have your Canva Pro account.